Hello, my beautiful people. How you all doing? It's been a while I posted here. If you're just joining us today, welcome to Ebehi's DIY. In this channel, I make items that you can make from the comfort of your home and put up for sale. Especially if you're a creative person, you like to do craft work and just get busy with your hands. These are something you can make and you can put up for sale. So I actually made a scrunchie. Somebody requested for this scrunchie, green scrunchie. So I made it and I just didn't want it to be plain. I was looking for a way to, just design it and add small accessories to it. So I actually picked up beads, but I don't know. I'm kind of struggling with it. I don't know what's happening. So I don't think I will continue with this beading thing because it's not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what I want, so I'm going to switch, and but I'm still going to use beads, but not this particular bead because see, I have to sew, and I thought about it. How long am I going to tack and cut thread and go over it again? So I'm going to switch. Okay, so remember I said I was going to switch, so this is what I decided to use because I was just struggling with stacking. So I decided to use another type of bead and glue to just design it. So I just pick one bead, add glue to it, and then I just put it on the fabric and then it sticks together. So that was what I did for this scrunchie. If you want to see how to make a scrunchie, I have a video on how to make scrunchie, so you can go through my channel's video and you'll find one there on how to make a scrunchie. So this is it all. It actually came out very fine, very 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 nice after adding all of the beads to it. So if you like this video, please do well to like, subscribe, you can share my video, and click the bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. So actually this was what I did all through until I was okay with so this is what I did all the way until I got what I finally wanted, and it came out really nice. So do not forget to subscribe to this. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and have a nice time. Like this video, share with your friends. See you on the next one. Bye.